Good morning to one and all. My name is Wahid. I am studying in 8th 82 in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today our seminar topic is mental health awareness. I have divided this mental health awareness topic into three parts. Part 1, basic of mental health. Part 2, spotting the warning signs. Part 3, easy daily habits for healthy mind. In part 1, what is mental health? Mental health is like of physical health. Just like we all have physical health, we all have mental health. It's like we all have mental health, we all have physical health. Your mind is connected to your body. If your brain is feeling stress or anxious, then your body also can feel tired or headache. Suddenly losing your appetite. What is meant by appetite? Appetite is nature desire to eat food. Means want to eat, curiosity to eat the food is called appetite. Coming to our point, suddenly losing your appetite or not desire to eat food is the first warning sign for your mental fatigue. Stress is okay, but burnout is not. First, we have to know what is meant by burnout. Burnout is called as long-term stress. Coming to our point, short-term stress is okay, but not long-term stress. Long-term stress without taking breaks can cause some anxiety or tiredness. Some anxiety or tiredness. Part two, spotting the warning changes. Suddenly draining your mental health. Scrolling through negative news and seeing reels and mobile more can cause you to feel tired or anxious. It when you see more mobiles and can you if you are fully connected with them, it will cause you to feel tired or anxious and headache. It will mainly it will cause you to think longer and think about many things uh, fastly. If you are that time we can take very fast decisions and wrong decisions, so we have to keep our mental health in good, that can help to our body. We have to keep your physical health also properly. If the physical health is proper and good, mental health also will be in proper way and in good way. Easy daily habits for healthy mind. Yeah, just move your body a little bit. You no need a long some more exercises and hard exercises. Just a 10 minutes walk can relax your mind and can keep your mind very calm. Thinking on two things at a time. Just do one things at a time will help you to increase your anxiety and once decrease, so that will cause your brain think more and long. It will cause some tiredness or feeling more and taking bad decisions at that time. So we have to take a good decisions, means we have to keep our mental health properly and goodly to get our better decisions for our future. Yeah. When you are not thinking about the no, when you are not thinking about the better answers, you can then you can keep keep some interest on your brain to help your brain to move properly or get some good health. Yes, we have to keep our mental health properly. Why we have to keep our mental health properly? Because of we have to take better decisions at that time to move from to get better decisions for our future. In For example, you are in a problem, then you got many problems at a time. You had so much of stress at that time. You have to take better decisions at that time. To take better decisions at that time, we have to keep our physical and mental health properly. If you keep your brains clean, then you can take good decisions at that time. Just pulling away from friends. If any friend is not If any friend is not giving reply to your words, then just go away from that friend. Just go away from that friend. Because it can feel us to think some little bit why he not talking, if he had say anything on us, like that we can think. That's why for that we have to think. We not want to think longer for that. If we think longer, it will cause to long term stress. We have talked about that burnout. Yeah. If if we got if we got stressed, we have to do some exercises like meditation, moving our body. Just that will relax our brain and keep our anxiety cool. Then then what we want have to do for a better decisions. We have to do a better things. If we got problems, we have to take better decisions for best future. To getting best future, we want to keep we want to take better decisions for our future, to see a good future in your life. You have to take better decisions. Be- if you are feeling some stress and anxious, then you can keep some interest on your brain, and to clear the problems that it will cause some little bit stress to you. But if you have taken more interest on that, we can we can get a better future and better problems for better solutions for the problems. So keep your mental health properly to get better decisions in your future. If we want a we have to move a little bit our body. We just no need to do so many things at a time. Doing so many things at a time will kill our anxiety. That it will some more once it will more, and once it will decrease, that can cause us to think. So just keep interest on at a thing at a time. Don't do two or more one or more things at a time. At a time. Thank you.